Today, we're the other side of the table at a boot sale. Today we're selling. So welcome back to the channel, Tatsters. My name's George Ross, if you didn't know. The channel is Retro Reselling. And yeah, selling at a Lazy Bones boot sale. So we're not up at 5, it's 8 o'clock now. Cars all ready to go. Nothing exciting really, it's just family stuff, girls' clothes, girls' toys. It's not like I'm gonna make a profit and stuff. Here we go, the car is ready. We have a Ford Cougar for a couple more weeks anyway, and it is rammed floor to ceiling. So the aim is to clear as much as we can. Let's get on the road. Packed in like sardines. It's just me and the wife, Amy, today. The girls are at Nan and Granddad's, and yeah, there's literally no room for anything else. Let's clear some stuff. Let's get going. We're in and we're bang on the corner. Apparently this was one of the worst ones for social distancing, but got some new measures in. This will be interesting.
We've got a sign as well.
Oh, we've got a sign. Don't touch, apparently. We'll see. And we've got some hand gel as well to put on the table. I wonder if there's many vultures. Got any games? Got any gold? Got any Lego?
Bum bag on.
I'll put my bum bag on. Look at the shirt. Shout out to, I forgot who I bought this from. Bought it from a subscriber though. Just had to, didn't I? Bit of vintage pineapple. Merch, bum bag. Let's set up. How are we doing? Oh, the Bamboo and Beyond reject stuff that didn't make it to the website. Oh. So why didn't this make it to the website, Amy?
The paint wasn't quite up to my standard.
The paint wasn't up to standard. And this one, the wrap wasn't very good on the tin. Wasn't up to Amy's standard again. See, we always test our products. Let's have a little update on our stall. The crowds will be let in at, what's the time? So it's 9 now. So we've got half hour, 45 minutes before the crowd comes in. Here we go. Nice eclectic mix. Wife's working away, getting her working hard. Nothing too amazing. Old DVDs, CDs. Oh, that's for me to do. Couple of slower bits for me that I got sick of. Here we go. Couple pairs of shoes from the unit. Yeah. Oh, put them with them. Don't know what that is. Yeah. Should do alright. We've made £8 or £9 so far. So not quite broken even. That'll be at £12. Not bad. So basically set up now fully. Amy's gone to brave the toilets. So brave. And I'm getting the FOMO itch. It's about half hour till everyone comes in. And I haven't looked around yet. So I'm gonna hope she hurries up. Then I can go around quick. Snap up any bargains before the main herd comes in. One of the benefits of selling at this one. Go, you've nicked my money. Say hi Instagram. Live on YouTube, well not live on YouTube, but you know what I mean, filming on YouTube. Can I have some money please?
I suppose.
Happy hunting, thanks a lot trading. I'll just take the notes. Don't worry about change. See you in a bit.
Bye.
We've got 10 minutes. Might as well stay live for a bit. Where should I go? Where should I go? I'm still filming. How much on the biker suit?
Well, they're ladies, size 16.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't suppose it matter when they get size 14, are they? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, 14, yeah.
50 quid.
Okay.
It works. I'm not sure if it's got batteries in it.
Okay, that's fine.
No, it has batteries.
Oh yeah, just goes inside.
Yeah.
Or near offer. We take 7?
8?
8, done.
Yeah.
Easy. You got change for 10?
Yeah.
I got. Yeah, there you go. There's that one. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Bye. Didn't even finish that side. Haven't done that side. About to come in.
Oh, really?
I'm gonna try and be quick. Dyson for 10.
Nice.
Instax for 8. Right, I'm quickly do these few and I'll run back. Bye. How much on your game?
£1.
Okay. How about the maker as well?
£3.
3, okay.
I've never used that.
I'll get these two then, please. What's that? 4.
£4, I think it's good.
You got a pound change?
I have.
Yeah. How much on the t-shirt?
That one is £2, that one.
Okay.
Guardians.
That's cool. I'll take that, please.
Yeah.
There you go. 2.
Thank you.
Thank you. They're about to come in. There you go, look, that's not much. What have we got? Downfall for £1. Lorry maker for £3. And this is for me to keep. £2.
That's nice.
Had to. I just need to add up what I spent now. The herd are in. Here they come. Did you sell much when I was gone?
And no, the lady came back and paid for her shoes.
Ah. Now it's selling time. And that Dyson I picked up. Someone's got 83, over 100, 50, 100. And I've paid a tenner. Hopefully it's working. Where's your signs? Oh, there they are. Dangly ones. Oops. Oh yeah. Very cool. Let's get shifting this stuff. Trying to sell these things for 50p pound. I'm selling TVs for 50 quid on eBay. This was the Pro Line one. Cost me 5. Listed last week. Gone for 50 plus postage. Nice. Back to selling. How much is the leopard print jacket? £2. £6. 150. This one, Amy, white hat.
That one next to it.
White hat, Amy.
Oh, £1. We'll take that. The only thing we've had so long to set up is your knackers by the time everyone arrives.
Yeah. Right for now, like the initial buzz.
Yeah.
Everyone's coming in. Give it half hour. I'll be bored to want to go home.
I will come home.
Oh, still selling on eBay.
Oh,
Remote control, £4. Making it rain.
That's why you've got your one with your M on, haven't you? We'll just see how long that lasts.
selling lots now. Made some profit as well, thank God. Tried to go live and failed. Awful internet connection here. I tried though. Just had an influx of sales and buyers. I need to sit down. I'm knackered. So yeah, well into profit. I reckon we're up to 50-60 quid now. Obviously count up at the end, take away the float and what I've spent. See what we made at the end. Right, we're off for a tidy up. Got some gaps going on. Sold a few of them. Shoes looking. There's a massive gap here. Might fill it up. Clothing going. Got about an hour to go. Getting tired now. Run around one more time. Got one more thing. Epson Perfection Scanner, £2. It looks unused inside. Even if it is used, 30-35 quid, maybe a bit more. If it's unused, add a premium. Bargain at the end of the day. Oh, Giggsy's not selling, bless him. I got rid of over half the stuff, I'd say.
Doggy water.
Is that what you done?
Yeah.
Softy. That's us all packed up and put away. Still looks like we got a lot, but it wasn't my stacking skills. Wife shove and hope for the best. We're both knackered. We might treat ourselves to a McDonald's, not gonna lie to you. I'm knackered and stiff and achy. But overall, I'm guessing pushing 3 figures maybe. We'll have a count up when we get back home, had probably a nap. So yeah, next time I see you, we'll count up the change, see what we made. Right, so we've had a count up, we've got our final numbers. Yeah, done better than I thought. I thought maybe 80 odd, because we're selling lots, but only for like £1, £2. The other thing went for a £5. And our total was £107.80p. Took away our float, obviously, so we've already done that. And I've added what I spent. I spent £26 on some odd bits. So yeah, there we go. Just over 100, but then obviously take away £12 for our pitch. So profit, or money made, 95.80. It's not too bad. It was stuff we was going to donate or get rid of anyway. Might have had a little sneaky nap while the kids are away, so made the most of that. Might have had a McDonald's as well, so made the most of that as well. So yeah, rested up, still feel tired. It's a hard bit of work. Hope you enjoyed that. I'm not sure what footage came out. I did try and go live, like I said, didn't work. The Wi-Fi was useless, or the mobile network was useless. Thanks to everyone that said hi today. I did sell a badge actually, but I didn't catch your name, so thanks for that. Was making money, obviously, while selling at the boot sale. So might see you tomorrow for a picking orders video, see what has sold throughout the weekend. So if you want to see more of this sort of thing, picking orders, buying, selling at boot sales, subscribe to the channel, hit the like if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you around. Goodbye.